Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got some Joby here, 149. It's a blower. Every time you're buying something like this, you want to look at the CFM. So you guys did see that one says 280 CFM for a really small yard, not a lot of power, but the other one was 425 CFM. So always look at that when you're buying a blower. All right, and then you got the rigid here, the NXT, really good deal, 9 gallon vacuum here. Then you got a tool box here. It's really nice. It's a Sportsman's trunk, 108 quart, 2988. This is pretty big size storage box here. It's not like a regular toolbox with the lid like that. Everything just falls out. That's one thing I didn't like about it, but still a great box, real great storage. And they got two smaller ones here, 1398 and 1298. So these are definitely nice little cheap boxes you guys can use for storage. So definitely check it out. Very inexpensive utility box, Plano. That's the brand. And they got this rack, $199. This is a really nice heavy duty rack. It says 10,000 pounds capacity. So $199 for the miter saw stand. This is the rolling miter saw stand here with some wheels and a handle. And then you got the miter saw here. This is a 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. So you guys see there, it is dual bevel and it's a slider basically. From Rigid. So $399 for this. And then you got, this is the dual bevel miter saw. So the other one wasn't a dual bevel, and it was a slider, and this one is a dual bevel. So I don't know, this one's not a slider as you guys see, but it is a dual bevel. I believe they're mix and match. One is on the other side. You know, obviously the more expensive is going to be the slider one. You got a jigsaw here, 129, a reciprocating saw, 129. You got a power washer there, a power cleaner, 79 bucks. You got a one-handed reciprocating saw, $99. Those are HP, those are the new ones. You got the oscillating tool, $99. You got an impact wrench, 119, sander, 44. Then you got a nice tool combo kit here, 199 for the DIY, for the home use. You got a drill for 129, that's a drill kit. Got a polisher there, $44. You got a pair of two lights, $49.97. Then a drill driver, impact driver for $179. Then you got a fan for $49. If you guys don't know, the new deals are starting today. I believe the Tool Boss did mention it, so big shout out to my man, the Tool Boss. He mentioned that the believe the buy more, save more from Joby is available online. I guess there's some big discounts you guys could get, or some, you know, if you guys could hack them, depending on what you want to do. $9.97 for this 20-piece drill impact driving set. Then there's $9.97. This is a much better, in my opinion, this is a much better, nicer case here with the lots more options here on this $9.97 kit here. It's a 40-piece. Was $12.97. Some 1-inch bits, some flats, some star bits. Then some 2-inch bits, some nut drivers, socket holder or socket adapter, and some bit holders there. Then you got the rotary tool, $44.97. A reciprocating saw, 79 bucks. That's what you guys see there. And then you got a jigsaw, 69 bucks. $59 for the circ saw. This is not non-brushless. $9.88 for the copper fit work gear insoles for your work boots. So as a matter of fact, I gotta get some for my work boots. I did not get them when I was here. So 8 to 13, really nice. Gotta give me some of these. And then they got some hats, some Milwaukee apparel. So you got some hats there. And those are different sizes, so it just depends on your size. You got large XL. And then you got the shirts there at the bottom. This is Milwaukee. Really like the gray. You got some pants, some shorts here, and some pants at the bottom. So the shorts are $34.98. Really nice colors. And those are the pants, $44. So definitely check it out. Alright, you got some sanding pads or discs, 50 pack, $19.88 from Diablo. And then you got some adapters, a 9-piece, 1/4-inch hex socket adapter. And you got an 11-piece accessory set. And that is impact rated. Because it says right there, it should be impact rated. So you got a few different extensions there. And then you got some universal socket adapters there. You got a 12-in-1 quick load ratcheting screwdriver, $15.97. You got a 3-piece adjustable wrench set, $24.97 from Husky. So really nice 12-in-1 there, quick load ratchet. Those are the adjustables. Then you got a 2-pack of Fat Maxes, $19.88. So not too bad. There are 25 feet each. Then $9.97. Your choice here: the 3-pack, 5-pack, or the 5-pack metal cutting. And then $47.97 for the 2-pack of 10-inch 42 general purpose saw blades. And then $54 for the 12-inch. Then you got a blaster here, $5.48, the rust penetrating. That's a really nice set there. $9.97 for a 16-ounce steel curved claw hammer. Husky, 16-ounce. It's a really nice combination right there. A brushed metal with the black. Then $80.97 for this anvil toolkit, homeowner's toolkit. 137 pieces. So it does come with pliers, some combination wrenches, sockets, all kinds of stuff. You got some gloves, some Grease Monkey Gorilla Grip, $6.47. $14.97 for the Dura Knit work gloves. Really like the colors. And you got $44.97 for the organizer, the low profile organizer for pack out. This is a really thin one. You got a 12-inch tool bag, $12.97. That's a tool bag there. Pretty nice. It looks like a tote. So, and then you got combination ratcheting wrenches, $79.97. Comes with the nice case. A see-through case there. Then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the X-Lock angle grinders, you get a free 5-amp-hour battery, or you can buy the $399 kit impact driver driver, and you get a free X-Lock angle grinder. Those are the angle grinders. That's the one with the got the paddle switch. And that's a $399 kit you guys have to buy. Those are great tools. This is one of the newer tools that they have. Those are the discs there for the sanding discs. That's the paddle switch. The paddle switch is the one on the bottom. Alright, you got the $399 kit. This is a tool combo kit. This is a really nice kit. Does come with one brushless tools, and those are the rest of them are brushed. Still, this is a great kit. Makita usually doesn't do it this cheap, so it's a really nice deal there. You got a ratchet here from Joby, $81 on clearance, or newer lower price, my bad. $299 for a 2-piece combo kit. You got 100 reciprocating saw, impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger. You got some batteries here. $139 for the 5-amp-hour. You got $219 for the 2 6s. $299. Like I said, for that kit, 100 reciprocating saw and impact driver. You got impact duty bits there for $19.98. 35 piece, 1997 actually. And then you got a 6 amp hour for 159, and you got a 5 amp hour for 139. And then you got impact driver drill driver for 199, so basically $100 a piece with 2 batteries. 1988 for the 2-pack 500 lumen headlamps. And those are battery operated, by the way, so you do have to buy batteries for those. They're not rechargeable. Then you got some gloves here, general purpose camel work gloves, 888. So pretty nice. $14.97 for the 6-piece reciprocating saw blades. And then you got the jigsaw at the right. This is a really nice set there. Does come with a bit blade holder there, a plastic blade holder. Does come with some pruning blades. And then you got the jigsaw on the other side. It's a really nice kit. I really like these kits because everything stays together. You basically grab the kit and everything's gonna be in the plastic container. $9.97 for the fully retractable utility knife. And then you got the hammer there to the right. It's a really nice hammer. And then you got a tape measure there, 25 feet. $9.97 for the tape measure and $14.97 for the 16-ounce hammer. Then you got a clamp there with some nice rubber grip. Alright, 2 free blade change X-Lock. So that's the promo that they're running currently. It's a really nice promo. These are really nice tools. Especially the toolless blade change with the X-Lock. All you have to do is just push that lever and it slides out or jumps out at you. And then just put the new one in and you're pretty much done. 129 18 volt jigsaw. That's it. It is octane. So you guys do know octane is getting cleansed out. Then you got the oscillating tool, 129. And then you got the max output starter kit, 149. I believe it comes with the 4. Then you got the reciprocating saw, brushless. And 129 for the impact driver, 1/4 inch. And 169 for the reciprocating saw. So not too bad. I think these are great tools for the DIY. 149 or 349 for the table saw. It's an 18 amp 10-inch table saw with a stand, so it does come with the stand. And then you got the 399 for the miter saw double bevel, 15 amp 12-inch dual bevel miter saw. And then you got this miter saw from DeWalt, $4.99. It's a dual bevel. $5.97 for the 2-pack of 7 1/4 12-tooth framing. These are great, guys. I've used them in the past and they've been great. They're not Diablo quality, but still they last pretty long for the price. I mean, for $5 or $5.97, that's a really good deal. And then this is the 780, so that's one of the better models that they have. It's not the newest, but it's one of the better models that they have for that miter saw for DeWalt. Alright, you got 179 for the XR drill driver 5 amp hour kit. Then you got impact driver 179 with the 5 amp hour kit. Then $14.97 for the max fit driving 50 piece. Then $19.97 for the 21 piece gold and black and gold drill bit set, which is not the best quality, to tell you the truth. I like titanium. You guys watch my videos, you guys know why. They last longer. Titanium always lasts longer. It's kind of like the middle of the grade. You got still running this deal, guys. Definitely check it out. I have this saw actually. If you guys want to check out the video. But yeah, $249 will get you a saw, 2 batteries, charge in the bag. These are 36 volt tools. Just to remember, it takes 2 batteries. And also you do get 2 extra batteries for free. Definitely a good deal. Guys, I saw this Ryobi poster here. It seems like they're going to replace this part that's coming down maybe. I got a 50 piece here. You got some nut drivers there, socket adapter, some 2-inch bits, some flats. You got some hex bits, some squares, and some drill bits there to the left, and a drill bit in the middle, like a bonus drill bit. It's a really nice set there. And then you got the one-handed jigsaw. $29.97 for the 10 compartment small parts organizer. It's a really nice set. If you have a chance to get into this line, this is a really nice line to get into the rigid platform, the modular system here. Then they got this one on clearance, $567. This is a 14-inch SJS. This is a huge saw. 14-inch was $629. Got the special buys here, $299. Looks like that's the kit that we saw earlier. And then $399. This impact driver drill driver comes with the angle grinder, 2 batteries, charger in the bag, and then you got a 7-tool combo kit, $499. It's a pretty nice kit. The 2 kits on the top are fuel, so just to let you know, it's a nice tool bag. It catch my attention, especially because it does have like a bag sticking out here. Pretty nice. Then it got a bunch of little compartments on the side and some more compartments on the inside, maybe for some hand tools, some screwdrivers, pliers, and stuff. $44.97. It's a 19-inch. And they got the smaller one for $39.97. So it's pretty much the same thing but smaller. Alright guys, we got the clearance section. $69.98 for the 5-inch Bosch sander. This is a corded sander, still a great brand. You guys know Bosch is known for reliability. 7 1/4 circ saw, $129 Makita. This is another corded circ saw, 7 1/4. You got a nice kit at $349 for the 20-volt combo kit with 4 amp-hour batteries. Was $399. So you guys see there, it does come with impact driver, drill driver, and the other one I believe is an impact wrench, if I'm not wrong. Alright, you got some more clearance here. This is the Ryobi bit set here. $10.97. It's a 21 piece. Was $15.97. So it is like a black oxide drill bit set. And then they got this 4 amp hour battery, the DeWalt, for $129. Guys, that's it for today. I just want to share this, pretty much what's going on at this Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.